I am Rishikesh. I am so happy because I have bird and she lay eggs. Let's go. I will show my lovely bird. I love my bird. She is very cute. Friends, you know how do birds lay egg and mother bird warm the egg? So I will tell life cycle of the bird. So this is life cycle of bird. So I will tell about life cycle of bird. This is adult bird. Adult bird lay the egg. The mother bird warms the egg. Baby bird hatches out. Bird grow up. And then adult bird. The adult bird lay egg. The mother bird warms the egg. After some days, the baby bird hatches out. The baby bird do not have feather and the eyes are closed. The mother bird feeds and teaches them how to fly. Then bird grow up and adult bird. Friends, I will show in real how birds warm the egg. Let's go to my birds. Friends, the bird warmed the egg and after some days the baby bird hatched out. Hello bird, how are you? If you like my video, if you like my bird, so please subscribe me.